Let's start construction of a quadrilateral when three angles and two sides are given. Here, first of all, write down the naming in a cyclic order. QR is given to us 5 cm, RS is 4 cm, angle P is 60 degree and angle Q 75 degree and angle R 120. So first of all I have to start with the baseline, but if I'll select QR as a baseline, so I get the two angles on it, but there is no measurement of QR. So it is better for me to start with QR because the baseline is of 5 cm as well as the measurement of two angles is given to me. Now let's start drawing QR of 5 cm long with the help of scale and pencil. First of all, put 2 points and now start joining. Name it Q and R and write down the measurement 5 cm. On Q we can see that there is the angle of 75. For 75, first of all we have to draw the angle of 90 degree. Let them intersect at M without changing the radius. Put the first arc, name this point N. Without changing the radius, put another arc, and by using these points you have to draw the two arcs which intersect with each other to make the angle of 90 degree. I would like to name it as O and this point as X. Now join QX, which is of 90 degree, but it is not required in our construction. Basically I want 75, that's why I am constructing an angle of 90 degree. Again I got one more point which is S. By using the point S and N, I'll draw two arcs and let them intersect at a point and name this point Y and join it with the help of scale with Q. This is 75 degree which is required. Now we should start drawing 120 degree on R. Draw a semicircle without changing the radius and I'll name this point as A. Now put the compass pointer at A and draw an arc. We should name it also. I'll write it B. Now put the compass pointer at B and draw another arc. I name it C and this arc represents 120 degree. We have to write down the labeling side by side. Now I can see the measurement from R to S is 4 cm. I have R, so I'll make a cut for S by taking 4 cm opening of the radius. Put it on R and take a point which represent S. The measurement is 4 cm. Now on looking on my rough figure, I can see that angle P is of 60 degree and definitely P should be somewhere on this line, but where it should be, it is not mentioned because there is no distance given from P to Q and P to S. And S point I have, so there is no angle. So I have to first of all calculate this angle S so that I can start constructing this angle. For this I can use my angle sum property of a quadrilateral, which is angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S equals to 360 degree. After adding 60 degree, 75 degree, 120 degree and angle S, it should be equivalent to 160 degree. 255 plus angle S and angle X, 360 minus 255. So my angle S will become 105 degree. Now I have to draw 105 degree by putting the compass pointer on S. Again we have to draw angle of 90 degree as I drawn here. This is my 90 degree angle. after drawing the 90-degree angle, I am capable to draw an angle of 105. First of all, I'll join it with the dotted line, and I'll use these 2 points. I will name it V and W to draw the 105-degree angle. Be careful, for making 75 I have to come closer to the starting ray, and if I want to make obtuse angle, so I have to go farther from the previous ray. So I have to draw 2 arcs again from the point V and W and let them intersect with the angle 75 degree. So this is 105 and they are intersecting each other, and definitely this point will represent P because I need a quadrilateral. So that is all about when 2 sides and 3 angles are given.